Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA arctangent formula to convert a value into its arctangent equivalent. So first of all, we need to record a macro in order to write this code. So I'm going to go to the record macro drop down button in the macro section of the view tab and click on that, and I'm going to call that ATN for arctangent and underscore fx for function. I'll click on OK. I'm going to click on stop there, and then I'm going to go to drop down and click on view macros, click on edit, and then I'm going to paste in the code I've got, get rid of the duplicate sub and end sub, and before every line of code I always put in the on error resume next function for error handling, and then you got your code there, so you can see active cell formula R1C1 equals, which means insert the following formula in the activated cell or selected cell. You can see ATN there for arctangent. The range or the cell reference is cell A1. So there you go. I'm going to file, close that, return to Microsoft Excel, and you can see my value in here is 2.233. So I'm going to click on the next available empty cell, and I'm going to run, go to the view tab, a macro section, and run that query to run it on cell A1, and you can see the arctangent of 2.233 is 1.149. And that's it. That's the arctangent function in Excel VBA 2013.